Hi, this is Litre Tyre Parts Plus. Today we have 2006 Mazda 3, stock number 6347. This ran from the 10th 2003 to the 6th 2006. It has an L3 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Front bonnet no dents. Left front door mirror, left front door no damage, left rear door no damage, left rear 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid 1 dent, right rear tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard 1 dent, right front 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,